Things to do for healthier and longer hair. Achieving healthy, long hair involves a combination of proper care, nutrition, and avoiding harmful practices. While genetics play a role in hair growth, many factors within your control can influence the health and length of your hair. Here are practical steps you can take to promote healthier and longer hair. 1. Prioritize a nutrient-rich diet. Your hair needs specific nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Incorporate the following into your diet. Protein. Hair is primarily made of keratin, a type of protein. Include foods like eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, and nuts. Vitamins. Vitamin A, found in carrots and sweet potatoes, promotes sebum production, which keeps the scalp moisturized. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, aids collagen production, strengthening hair. Biotin and other B vitamins. Biotin, found in eggs and almonds, is essential for hair growth. B vitamins help with overall hair health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3s nourish hair follicles and boost growth. Iron and zinc. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to hair follicles, and zinc repairs hair tissue. These nutrients can be found in spinach, lentils, and shellfish. 2. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for hair health. Dry, brittle hair is more prone to breakage, so drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated from within. 3. Use gentle hair care practices. How you treat your hair can significantly impact its health. Avoid overwashing. Washing your hair too frequently strips it of natural oils, leading to dryness. Aim to wash 2 to 3 times per month. Use a sulfate-free shampoo. Harsh shampoos can damage your hair. Opt for gentle, sulfate-free products that cleanse without stripping moisture. Condition regularly. A good conditioner adds moisture and reduces tangles. Focus on applying it to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Detangle carefully. Use a wide-toothed comb or detangling brush to prevent breakage. Start from the ends and work your way up. Avoid heat damage. Minimize the use of heat tools like straighteners and curling irons. When using them, apply a heat protectant spray to shield your hair. 4. Trim regularly. Regular trims help maintain healthy ends and prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft. Schedule trims every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. 5. Treat your scalp well. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong hair growth. Massage your scalp. Regular scalp massages improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting growth. Use oils like coconut, argan, or castor oil during massages for added nourishment. Exfoliate occasionally. Scalp buildup from products and dead skin can block hair follicles. Use a gentle scalp scrub or a clarifying shampoo once a month to remove buildup. Avoid tight hairstyles. Constantly wearing tight ponytails, buns, or braids can cause traction alopecia, a type of hair loss due to stress on the scalp. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 6. Use natural treatments. Incorporating natural remedies into your hair care routine can enhance growth and health. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and reduces protein loss in hair. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions hair. Onion juice, rich in sulfur, it boosts collagen production and promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. Egg masks. Eggs are high in protein and biotin, making them excellent for strengthening hair. 7. Protect hair from environmental damage. Exposure to environmental factors can weaken your hair. Shield from sun. Use a hat or scarf to protect your hair from UV rays, which can cause dryness and discoloration. Rinse after swimming. Chlorine and salt water can strip your hair of natural oils. Rinse your hair with fresh water after swimming. Use silk or satin pillowcases. These reduce friction, preventing hair breakage and frizz compared to cotton pillowcases. 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress can trigger hair loss through conditions like telogen effluvium or alopecia areata. To reduce stress, practice relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Ensure adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night, to give your body time to repair and grow hair. 9. Avoid harsh chemical treatments. Chemical treatments like bleaching, perming, or straightening weaken the hair shaft, making it prone to breakage. If you must use them, ensure your hair is well nourished and conditioned beforehand. 10. Be patient and consistent. Hair grows at an average rate of about half an inch per month. Patience and consistency in your hair care routine are key to seeing long-term results. Avoid switching products too frequently, as this can stress your hair and scalp. 11. Consider supplements if necessary. If your diet lacks specific nutrients, consider supplements like biotin, collagen, or multivitamins. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. 12. Seek professional help when needed. If you notice excessive hair loss or significant changes in your hair's texture or growth, consult a dermatologist or trichologist. They can identify underlying causes like hormonal imbalances, thyroid issues, or nutritional deficiencies. In summary, caring for your hair involves a combination of internal and external efforts. A nutrient-rich diet, proper hydration, and consistent hair care practices are foundational. Avoid overstyling, minimize stress, and prioritize scalp health to maximize growth and achieve longer, healthier hair. While these steps require commitment, the results will be worth the effort as you enjoy stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair over time. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.